Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'll be showing you how to change your Deriv MT5 password today. Here, we're already logged into our Deriv account. The layout on the mobile app is very similar to the web version, so you can follow along no matter what you're using. For this tutorial, we're using the demo account to keep things safe. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From there, select Traders Hub. You'll now see two tabs, Options and CDFs. Head over to CDF. Now you'll see your available MT5 accounts. Select the Deriv MT5 account. Choose the one you want to update. For this tutorial, we're using the standard MT5 account. Tap the Open button next to it. You should now see a screen with your broker, server, login ID, and password field. Just by the password field, you see Forgot Password. Tap on it. This brings you to the reset page. Look for the red Change Password button in the middle. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap Confirm. You'll now get an email to the address linked to your Deriv MT5 account. Head over to your inbox. You'll see a mail titled Forgot Password. Open it and click on Change My Password. You'll be taken to a screen where you can enter your new password. I've just entered mine here. Once you've done that, click Create. You should get a success message. Tap Done and you're all set. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and leave a comment if this helped you out. See you next time.